Alright guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the thermostats in Ryan Dan's place. So, today we're going to be talking about, we're showing, so now we're going to talk about the thermostat location. So the first floor, thermostat's located right here. When you go upstairs, you see our lovely concentras that were just added in by Ryan Dan. And then the third floor, thermostat's in the bedroom, although it's locked right now and I cannot show you how to unlock it, so. And I can't say why, so don't ask. Because I know Ryan Dan doesn't want me to show anyone how to unlock it. So that's why it's locked right now. Turn all the lights on the second floor. Switches to the lights are right here. So anyway, so here are the lights on the second floor. We're not going to go to the third floor, but we'll just go to the third floor to show the fan briefly, how it will operate when the AC's on. So now we're going to show the first floor, main floor, how the fans are going to operate in the summertime. So right now it's on cooling mode, so the AC's on. We'll show you how some of the fans will be run. So starting with the ones you have to operate the pull chain, I'm going to show you, for example, Concentra. We'll use the Concentra. They're going to be set to low in the pull chain. You just put on low, but they'll be on low. It would be best if they were on low, because if they're on low with the AC on, I don't know why the condenser did not turn so I'll reset it for a minute. So now since the blower on, with the vent furnace on, with the cooling coil turned on, it'd be best if the fan was on low with the AC on, because if it was on low, then if you turn it to a higher speed, then it will probably more than likely ruin the air conditioning. So then the Reddingtons will show you the ones on the remote, the ones that you operate with both the remote and the pull chain. So when you turn on a Reddington, to make sure it does not still out, it did still out, so. They'll be set to low on the pull chain, but when you turn it on high with the remote, the only speed, it will be on low, and then if you turn it on down to lower, it will slow down. Because the reason why it's set like that, because so it does not ruin the air conditioning, or in the winter time, it won't ruin heat recirculation. But here's what it will look like when it's operated during the summertime. And it's on high in the remote, but the fan's set to low on the pull chain. But to turn it down, when you turn it down, it just goes slower. It just starts going slower. Well, some people don't think it's a good idea, and I understand that, but although a lot of people just sometimes just turn them on high, and it ruins the air conditioning, so that's what the maintenance people in my school do. Utopians are all set. The outdoor fans can run at a higher speed, but Shut the concentra off. That's why I have all fans are all default running like this Antigua right here. Our default set to low, run on low 24/7. And this Antigua right here is run on low 24/7. The Halsey builders all run on low 24/7. So yes, this low profile will be on like during the summer, winter usually to help with the. Since it's non-reversible, it will only be run like the summer or winter usually. Oh, forgot to show you a fan switch. So, second century's not reversible, but it could technically be summer or winter. Like, just set the low on the pole chain. Since the switch is right here for the second century, how it'll turn it on, like get moving. Just pull light, pull chain. And it gets it moving. Here it is on low for the summertime with the AC. For example, second century right here. Also set to low because so it doesn't ruin the air conditioning. So is these 1930s right here. I'll just pick one 1930s to turn on. I'm going to turn on this one. This is the one up, and they're all set to low now since. So it doesn't ruin the air conditioning. I know I might have explained that in another video, but I'm explaining it to you on the HVAC video since, you know, since it'd be best, this is what would be best to do for AC recirculation. And they'll be on downdrafts, the light switches right here. Utopians in here. They're both set to low. To help with AC circulation in the summer, but we'll shut them off because now I want to get to heat recirculation. We'll turn off the second century since, you know, I prefer it to be on with all the other fans turned on. About to turn the heat circulation. So it goes on the heating. Forgot to explain one more thing before I turn the heat on. Second floor. While I have the AC on the second floor and third floor, let's turn the AC on the second floor. Test it out. You know it's not supposed to be time for the AC, technically. And the blower turned on too. But when the AC's on the second floor, these concentrators right here will be run on low. The AC won't be on the third floor. Like the stairwell fans will all be on lower speeds to help with AC circulation. This concentra right, this Victorian right here will be on. It is right here. You can reverse it. This is how this Victorian will run with the AC turned on usually during the summer. And the AC's on up here, so it helps extract the AC from upstairs since the concentra is running. I think I might actually have the concentras run opposite directions. So this concentra right here over the stairs will be in reverse. Got my camera out of my character. I'm in the elevator now, so this one over the stairs will be in reverse, since, you know, it will bring the cold air upstairs, and this one right here will be in downdraft. And this Victorian right here will be in reverse, so that brings the cold, so also extracts the cold air from this concentrate into the Victorian, and that will bring clean air upstairs. Speed too. Shut it off. Shut it down now. Once on central reverse. So now we're going to go into heat mode. So go into heat mode. Switch over to cooling, heating. The heat will be on. This concentra right here will be on low usually during the winter time, but this one right here with the stairs will be on medium to help. So the stairs will be cold, and then hot, warm air will go down stairs. So the heat's now on, and for the winter time, how we're going to run the fans is we're going to put them on reverse, low speed, and the fans right here. So we're going to use this Reddington right here again for winter mode. So chain will still be set to low, but it will be in clockwise direction. It's the wrong Reddington. I keep getting it mixed up. There we go. So here's this Reddington. It will be set to low on the pull chain, but I do putting it in reverse, so it helps keep the heat pushed down. But during the shoulder seasons, they will be set back to high, like during the first day of spring. Before the first day of spring happens, I'll promise to set these Reddingtons to high, because I'm going to do a spring ceiling fan startup video in this place. The bathroom utopians will also be on low reverse usually. Forgot to turn the second sentry right here off. But that will always be on low with the heat turned on too. But during the shoulder seasons, we'll run them on higher speeds. This is how they'll run. These ones will run in the winter time usually too. Already 13 minutes recording, huh? It'll be right here. Greenhouse is going to be a little different. I'll show you the greenhouse. So slowing down. The garage is a little different too. Now the garage will be the last one. These Mariners are set to medium, since you know the greenhouse gets pretty hot. So we'll change the full chain sequence to reverse low. So as these will work in the winter time, as these will be on low, but during the summertime they'll be on medium usually, or high. They'll be on high actually, but during the shoulder seasons they'll be on medium usually. But during the winter time, this Resner unit will be on. And these outdoor patio heaters will be on too. But we'll put them away for the summer. Or the spring actually, once the weather warms up. And the garage heater is right here. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe.